Writing an essay is as easy as pie. You don't need an AI to do the job for you. And we are going to prove it.
Introducing the first digital platform to help students who are struggling with IELTS writing.
You will be directed on how to build your answers, step by step. Just pick an IELTS topic and follow the instructions.
Learn to map your thoughts. Quickly structure your arguments and thesis. And practice linking words.
Our digital tutor will train you to think fast and logically, be creative and analytical, and demonstrate a knowledgeable opinion.
While writing your essay, our digital vocabulary and tooltips will help you to clear your ideas and unlock your creativity.
Enhance your academic writing for the price of a 1-hour session with a private teacher.